If you wanted to use some of these Discovery Education videos in other ways, like, for example, putting them on a Google Slide or something like that, you would first need to download and save them to your drives. So, how you would do that is first you'd find the video that you are looking for. I will choose a short one here for this one so we can do this. So you find the video you want and you click on it and you get to this page. And then you look for these three little Timbits over here that says more. You click that and you say download. Now, I would recommend always downloading the lower one just because it'll be quicker and easier to do. However, if you want the high quality one, you can. It just takes a little longer and obviously a little more bandwidth, and it takes a little more room in your drive. But either one, click low. You can see down here, it's going to save it. Then when it's done, you can click this little up arrow and say show in folder. Now it's probably going to go straight to your downloads. You can see this is in my OneDrive here. Go straight to my downloads. It highlights it here, but I'm going to move it from here just because it's harder to reach things sometimes in your downloads folder. So if I right click and I say cut, it's just like copying it, but it's moving. So you could cut or copy. And then I made a folder already in my OneDrive called Discovery Education Videos, DE videos. So I'm going to move it here. So if I right click again and say paste, then that movie will be saved in there. It just gave me that one because I already had that same video in my drive and I just replaced it, but it won't give you that one. So there it is. It's saved in my OneDrive now. So if you wanted to upload it in places that are Microsoft friendly, OneDrive would work. However, if you were working with your Google Drive and you wanted to put it on a Google Slide, I would recommend putting it into Google Drive. It's a little bit easier. You still could add it from OneDrive, but if you wanted it in your Google Drive, go to where you would want to save it. So for instance, if I wanted to save it in my Discovery Education video folder, I would go to that destination where I want it. You can see it's here. So I'm just going to remove that one so I can add it again. And then here I go to my drive and I right click again and I say upload files. Then what you're going to do is you're going to search your OneDrive again to see where you are. I knew I have it in here. I go to that folder and I click this. I can double click or I can say open. So and then what it does is it uploads. You can see down here, it's uploading it for me. Complete, there it is, and it shows up in my Google Drive. Now I'm able to add that to a Google Slide or anything else that I would want to do. So that's a quick tutorial on how you would download and save a Discovery Education video to your drives.